not really supposed to talk about this. But
join the main event and fight against the lukewarm. With nothing but their word and their history, take a can of paint and try to decorate their dignity. It's not what they anticipated, fuck it doesn't matter, put your fists up and instigate it. And they can't save the planet or the children or the pandas or themselves, goddammit. I'm just a man that loved rap so much, in fact I put every piece of myself inside these fucking tracks. What is that? You whisper something from the back? You think your personal attacks make up for what you lack? I'm just a cat searching for a clean lap to crash in the world, hurting, waiting for they turn to take a nap. Sorting through the bills, fan mail, and life threats, wondering why the postman ain't delivered my wife yet. They call me Sean, this is Anthony. No need to act hard, cause we got extended family. So I smile while I try to use my words wise. Say what I meant, just in case this is your first time. New child of the wings tired, smiling like a couple of fools at the Queen Night. Can't wait for the vibrate to thicken, so we can watch the world's hips gyrate. Even the dead's getting live, it's a little deeper, you can float, come on baby, dive. To fall in love with this bitch, from the petals on a flower to the pimples on her tits. Fuck the insults and fuck the compliments, just wanna see the mommy free, the honesty and common sense. Stop following the wind that you swallow, cause it's too simple to aim for a target sitting on a fence. We do it for the candle in the sky, here's a toast goes out to those that can't handle they high. You and I, we can swim into the tide and watch these other children lose their mind. They go by, and they landed safe and sound, better try to take them out before they make your saviors proud. So fix the beef, quit acting like a sheep, either spit your speak or sit there and grit your teeth. To spread the info to the kinfolk, fucking with the climate on the inside of the windows. They're here, the baby farmer, gonna take it farther, make a mark and break apart your fake martyrs. Planted firm, let the planet burn, understand the terms, you don't wanna open up this can of worms. I'm trying to keep my prize on the eyeball, but people wanna see you fly or to watch the sky fall.